Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is a famous businessman from India. He was born on December 28, 1937 in Mumbai. He led the Tata Group, one of India's biggest companies. Under his leadership, Tata launched the Nano, the world's cheapest car. Ratan Tata loves helping people and gives to many charities. He studied in the USA at Harvard Business School. He is a kind and humble person who inspires many. He believes in honesty and hard work. Ratan Tata has won many awards for his great work. Kids can learn from him to dream big and help others. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.